Want to know how to edit or change your username in Playsee? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Playsee application and make sure you are logged in as well. If you aren't, we have also created a video on how to install and log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you've done all of that, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing your content profile right here. So you can just simply select it. And now once you've selected your current profile, here you should be seeing your incomplete profile if you had just opened it. So right here you should be seeing edit profile right below your username. And once that is on first you should be seeing your username as well. So this would be your default username. So in order to change it, you can just simply erase it all and just type in what you want. Once you are done, just simply select save right here and you should be good to go. So right here, as you can see, our username has been changed. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.